Oh, he gets cracking straight away. First ball and hammered. Big shot. Beats the infield. Hits the fence. Big shot and the first six. Boom is absolute. Oh, looking to play it late in a different direction, but he earns a 4. Yeah, that's good batting. Junaid Khan is frustrated because on
clearly. Oh, and an edge will race away for 4. Bonus runs, it brings up the...
Nicely hit into the gap and timed beautifully.
This is extraordinary. Such a talent. At the moment, he's disappearing.
Smash through the onside, picks it up. Oh.
Yeah, checking out halfway down. Geez, I tell you what, they raced away quicker than we thought.
Really well at the moment. So on that, actually, what do you think? Oh, what do you think you might get to on this wicket today as a final?
That's down the ground. Wonderful shot for Livingston. Boy, he's showing some.
Oh, that is absolutely bludgeoned.
Watch, an excellent start for the Kings, and that's up in the air. Is that a chance? No, sweet from Livingston.
Oh, good balls, they preempt, and it doesn't usually work. That is a home run. That goes smashed as well. On at this pace, they'll end up with 194. Oh, that's beautifully placed. Oh, he's timing them sweetly. It's
Here's Chris Green. Lovely, sweet sound that made off the bat. That's the 150 ball here. Well, he's picked it up, and here's